And Mainz info, November 401 is a Cessna 172. Gonna stay within the pattern for a few full stops. Roger that, wind call, thank you. A little cold today, huh? Alright, the active looks clear. I don't see anyone else in the pattern. That's the joy of coming here bright and early. Much runway as I can possible. Nobody. Runway 26, wheels are down, and gonna slowly advance power. Correction for right pedal for P factor. Alright, airspeed's alive, 40, 50, 60, 65, and we're gonna roll back. And we're up. As a bird. Alright, 1,700 feet is what I'm shooting for. Everything looks good. Aircraft is accelerating very smoothly today. Alright, I'm looking for the pony farm. Got runway 26 in sight. We're gonna go flaps 30 at power. Airspeed's looking good. Got my aiming point in sight. It's 70 miles an hour, winds are calm. Stay on that center line. Okay, I'm gonna slowly pull back power. Gonna bleed off that airspeed. Wheels down, and this is gonna be a full stop. RP back on. Mainz info, November 401, runway 26 for another full stop. Roger, one call. Alright, runway 26, here we go, full throttle. Alright, airspeed's alive, we're at 40, 50, 60, and we're rolling back. We're off. Going up to 1,700 feet. traffic, it's good. Alright. A little high, but we can take care of that. Wing flaps 30. Pretty good, 80. Slow back. Controlling. Nice smooth transition, trying to bleed off as much airspeed as possible. Boom, nice grease landing. Woo! I'm getting better at this game. Alright, we're just gonna mosey on over. Flap coming up. Roger, wind calm, thank you. Alright, before takeoff, check is airspeed's alive. I gotta get back on that center line, huh? Alright, 40, 50, 60, and we're up. No traffic in sight. Beautiful day, beautiful day. As the Germans say, sehr schön, sehr schön. I got the pony farm in sight. My heels are down. My instructor used to always scream at me about that. Ooh, a little rough, but we're okay.